You probably already know basic English words for parts of the body: eyes, ears, shoulders, arms, legs, and so on. But do you know these 40 vocabulary words for what's inside your body? Let's learn a whole bunch of English words for inside the human body.
Hi, and welcome to the Espresso English podcast, where you can improve your English in just a few minutes a day. My name is Shayna, and I'm the teacher at Espresso English. Make sure to visit the website espressoenglish.net, where you can get online courses and ebooks that will help you learn English even faster. Let's get started with today's lesson.
This will be a visual vocabulary lesson. I'll show you pictures to help teach you the words. If you're listening to this lesson on my podcast, I'd recommend you watch the YouTube video instead so you can actually see what I'm talking about. I'll put a link to that in the show notes. Learning vocabulary with pictures actually helps you remember it better, and that's why I also use lots of pictures inside my vocabulary builder courses. They have more than 1,000 words in each level that help you expand your vocabulary fast so you can express yourself more fluently. Click on the link under this video to learn more about the vocabulary builder courses. All right, we'll begin our study of human body vocabulary with the circulatory system. Your heart pumps blood to your entire body through arteries, which carry blood away from the heart, veins, which carry blood back to the heart, and capillaries, which are very tiny blood vessels. When you breathe, you take air into your lungs. The air goes through your trachea, which is more commonly called your windpipe. The verb for breathing in is to inhale, and the verb for breathing out is to exhale. Your skeleton is made of 214 bones. The places where two bones come together are called joints. For example, your knees, elbows, wrists, ankles, shoulders, and so on. The ends of each bone are protected by cartilage. Cartilage is a strong and flexible tissue that acts like a cushion and prevents the bones from rubbing together directly. Here are some of the most common parts of the skeleton. Your skull is the bones of your head and face. Your clavicle or collarbone runs from your neck to your shoulder. Your ribs protect your heart and lungs. Your spine is the long column of bones going down your back, and your pelvis connects your spine to your legs. Your muscles and bones are connected by ligaments, which connect bone to bone, and tendons, which connect muscle to bone. Of course, what controls everything is your brain, which sends signals to the rest of your body through the nervous system that's made up of connections called nerves. Now let's look at the digestive system. When you eat, food goes into your mouth, and when you swallow, it passes through your throat and goes down your esophagus. The food is digested in your stomach, then goes through your small intestine and large intestine before being eliminated from the body. A few more important internal organs include the pancreas, which produces hormones and enzymes, the liver, which filters your blood and removes poisonous substances, and the gallbladder, which stores a substance called bile that helps us digest fat in our diet. Your kidneys remove wastes and extra fluid from your body, sending it to the bladder to be eliminated in urine. Finally, we have the reproductive system. Men have 2 testicles, which produce sperm, the cells that carry the male's genetic material. And women have 2 ovaries, which produce eggs carrying the woman's genes. The eggs travel through the fallopian tubes to the uterus, often called the womb. This is where a baby can grow and develop. And the umbilical cord connects the mother to the baby through the baby's navel or belly button. Now, those are the human body vocabulary words that are in general and common use. But if you're studying to be a doctor or nurse, then you might need a more advanced list of words for anatomy. And you can find more at the website medicalenglish.com. But if you're learning English for general reasons, you're not in the medical field, then I'd encourage you to take the next step in your learning by joining my vocabulary builder courses. You'll easily learn lots of vocabulary in many different areas, so you can speak confidently about various topics without pausing and trying to think of the right word. There are 2 levels of the vocabulary builder. Level 1 is a little easier, and level 2 is a little more challenging. And there's a discount if you join both together. Well, thanks for joining me for today's human body vocabulary lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some new words in English. I'll talk to you in the next video.
If you want more great English lessons, visit espressoenglish.net, where you can sign up by email to receive a free ebook with 500 plus real English phrases. You'll also find online courses to help you improve your English fast, even if you don't have much time to study. Keep practicing your English, and I hope you have a wonderful day.